Canon has a new RF lens, the 100mm macro lens. Let's talk about it. Alright guys, so this lens is the first macro lens for the mirrorless cameras that Canon has, the RF 2.8 L USM lens. This lens is first of its kind in the mirrorless world. So if you do portrait, product display, or even landscape, this is the lens that you want. Macro lenses help you have a more close interaction with very small objects, and even though you can use it in landscape, this lens is perfect to show close details in your subject. Either a person or an object, the results you get from this lens are astonishing. This lens magnifies the subject 1.4 times, and you can still use the autofocus, which is amazing. For video, it has dual NANO USM focusing motors, giving filmmakers a smooth, steady focus with minimal focus breathing. It has a built-in optical image stabilization up to 5 stops of shake correction. And if combined with one of the cameras that had the IVIS, it goes up to 8 stops of shake correction. Something new this lens has is something called SA control ring, which controls the spherical aberration to create a very optical effect. Moving the ring to the plus or to the minus side will create a dreamy effect in your photos. So there you have it guys. Canon's new lens seems to be perfect if you want to use it for portraits, product display, or any type of close-ups, and also is perfect to use it in videos. So it is definitely something worth trying. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Or not. After all, this is a free world, people. Peace.